This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm here looking at this gorgeous Selene two-bedroom penthouse. This is at the Selene Luxury Residences in Uptown Dallas. It's hard to top this. I mean, you've got a gorgeous island with beautiful waterfall quartz countertops that are just stunning. You've got a lovely bar area to entertain folks. You can entertain so many people in this kitchen. It's beautiful, super high-end Thermador appliances, just only the best here. It's just gorgeous, and then spectacular views everywhere. The views are amazing. You've got a lot of space in here too to work with. You can literally have 15 people here very easily in this gorgeous apartment. When you look at the bedrooms are also phenomenal. Just so pretty with lots generous windows, and then the bathroom looks like this. It's just stunning. It's a beautiful bathroom, and it looks like this as well. There's a shower with a bench and a separated bathroom area. Even the closet is stunning. Just gorgeous closet. Hey, if you're ready to take a tour and you want to see perhaps the best Dallas apartment, I would say one of the top 5 absolutely Dallas apartments, then I want you to send me a text and just say, hey, I'd love to get a tour set up. We can do a virtual tour if you're out of state or out of the city, or if you want to go live in person, we can set that up as well. And by the way, we can set up multiple apartment tours. We help with all of the best Dallas apartments, so we're happy to do that anytime for you. Just take my number down below, put it in your phone, send me a text. I look forward to hearing from you.